Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So today in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create an ebook using Canva. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So click on Canva, click on the add icon that is appearing here as you can see. So click on add icon and you need to look for an option called A4 document. So as you can see it is here, A4 document. So click on it. Please search for ebook. Okay. So as you can see, there are hundreds of templates that are also free that you can try and you can make changes and you can literally make it change according to your own needs. So I'm going to select this one on the right. It has 22 pages as you can see. Okay, so we are going to click on apply all 22 pages. So it will let us edit all 72 pages here. If you swipe on right, you will be able to see every page here, or you just can simply click on this icon here, grid view, and it will show as this. It will be much easier for you to check out. And now we will start editing this. So as you can see, once you click on it just once, you will be able to change the font, the text, everything you can possibly imagine. As you can see here, the format, spacing, many things you can change. I'm just going to simply write here. Okay, I'm just typing anything randomly. Okay, you can also change this here. As you can see, the author's name is written on the top. You can change it and put it on the bottom. Okay, I'm just going to delete. Okay, I will just change the name of the website. Okay, and if you want, you can change your name here. Okay, I will just type my name, and if I want, I can put my name on the bottom. All right, so it is showing me that how I can center this. I will put it around here. Okay, it's looking fine to me. You can put the website. Wait a minute, I will put this here. So the measurements are quite perfect and I'm really happy with it. Canva is one of the most wonderful softwares. As you can see, it is precisely showing me the measurements. Alright, I will put this here. And you can also change the design if you're wondering. You can also replace this, you can change its color. I will try to change its color just to show you. It is good actually. Okay, I will put a gray color here. I'm just trying to keep it decent. Okay, so I will put this here. You can also enlarge it if you want. You can, and I will show you one more thing that you can do. You can click on it and you can click on more and you can click on send backward. So as you can see now, the design is on the back side of our text. So I'll click on bring forward and I will just keep it as it is. It's good here actually. You can also change this design. You can either remove it or keep it low. You can replace this. You can also delete this if you want. You just have to be creative here and there is no limit for you. Okay, so it's looking good now. Now I'm going to go on another page And now here comes the important part. Now you need to put your text here. You just need to copy your text and simply replace this text and write whatever here you want. Alright, this is the introduction page. You can change the font, you can change the text. I will try to change the font just to show you. Okay, so as you can see, this is also looking quite good. And one thing you have to keep in mind that just don't make it too weird. Don't make it too different according to your design. You can write your text here if you want. I will just simply write here. I'm just trying to write anything here. You can write, you just need to copy and paste whatever you have wrote. Now there are many pages that you can possibly change anything if you want. You can change the color if you are wondering. You can change it to anything. You can choose any color from here. You can choose the gradients if you want. Alright. Okay. You can also change the design here. Isn't it wonderful? There are so many things that you can do. Okay. So if you want to change, you just need to simply click on it and change the format, change the text, change the color of the text. Okay. So as you can see, we have successfully created an ebook. You just need to simply click on this export button here and you just need to click on download and your file will be downloaded. And then print it if you want and share it as an ebook. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.